welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Airbnb with email. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, and now on your screen you can see options like explore, wish list, trips, inbox and login. Go to login at the bottom right corner. Then you can see there's a login option. Tap on it. Now you can log in or sign up with your phone number, email, Apple, Google ID or Facebook. You have to select email. Once you do that, type in your email and tap on continue. Now you have to type in your password. Make sure you don't make any error and tap on continue again. And guys, that's it. That's how you log in into your Airbnb with email. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.